Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link eBay to Shopify. Want to sync your eBay store with Shopify and manage everything from one place? This tutorial will give you information about how to link eBay to Shopify so you can sell on both platforms efficiently with inventory, orders and listings connected. Now let's start by the first step. The first step is to log into Shopify admin. And to do that, just go to your Shopify dashboard by going to shopify.com and then visit the website and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. If you haven't already logged in, just click or created an account, just click on login and follow the prompts by clicking entering your website. Let's go here. Now as you can see, I created an account but my free trial has ended. Now after you go to your Shopify dashboard, make sure you click on apps on the left sidebar and then click on Shopify App Store. The second thing you want to do is to go to the App Store and search for eBay integration by Set Commerce or Shopify. And after that, once you find the app, click on Install App and authorize permissions. Now the third thing you want to do is to connect your eBay account. And to do that, just open the eBay app in Shopify and click Connect eBay account and sign into your eBay seller account. And when you sign into your eBay seller account, grant access to link on both platforms. Now the first step is to sync your listing. Choose what to import or what to export. Import eBay products into Shopify and sync Shopify inventory to eBay. And make sure you set pricing rules, shipping settings, and return policies, etc. Now for the fifth and final step, manage orders. Now orders from eBay will now show in your Shopify dashboard. You can fulfill, track, and message customers from one place. And now your eBay and Shopify are synced, saving you time and boosting your reach. Use AutoSync to prevent overselling and add tracking codes in Shopify to automatically update eBay buyers. And keep titles and images optimized on both platforms for best results. And this was it for today's tutorial. These were some tips and information and instructions on how to link Shopify to eBay. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.